Find the exact value of sec pi over 6 times cosec 5 pi over 4 plus cot of negative 2 pi over 3. I'm going to use each one of these. I'm going to work them out separately and then work from there. So when I work with sec, so for sec pi over 6, I'm going to look at cos of pi over 6 because cos of pi over 6 is my inverse function of sec. So if I have that, pi over 6 is my first quadrant. In my first quadrant, everything is positive. Therefore, the cos of pi over 6 is just stays the cos of pi over 6. I don't really need that. So for my special triangle, because they say exact values, that's pi over 6, that's pi over 3, 1, 2, square root 3. So the cos of pi over 6 is adjacent of hypotenuse, which equals square root 3 over 2. If cos is pi over 6, then sec pi over 6 is the inverse of that, which is 2 over square root 3. So I have the first part done. I'm now going to do the second part, which is cosec 5 pi. So cosec 5 pi, I'm going to work with cosec 5 pi over 4. I know that's the inverse of the sine. So I'm going to work sine 5 pi over 4. Sine 5 pi over 4 is the inverse. 5 pi over 4 is over here. My cast diagram, 0, pi. In fractions, it's 4 pi over 4, which means 5 pi over 4 is here. That's my reference angle of 5 pi. So I can say the sine of 5 pi over 4 is in my third quadrant, negative. So that equals, sine of pi over 4 equals negative the sine of my reference angle, and my reference angle is pi over 4. Okay, pi over 4. Because the sine of that is the sine of pi plus pi over 4. Now, the pi over 4, that's a special triangle. Pi over 4 is 1, 1 square root 2. So the sine is negative 1 over square root 2, or 1 over square root 2. Therefore, the cosec of 5 pi over 4 equals the inverse of that, which gives us minus square root 2. So this one is covered. Now I'm going to look at the last one, which is the cot. And I'm going to say for the cot of negative 2 pi over 3. First of all, I'm going to work with my tan of negative 2 pi over 3. I'm going to say my cast diagram. This is 0, this is minus pi, going in a negative direction. This is a fraction, so it's going to be negative 3 pi over 3. Which means negative 2 from there, negative 2 pi over 3 is just in there. Remember, this is my cast, which means I can write the tan of minus 2 pi over 3 as minus pi, coming in a positive direction, plus pi over 3. That's negative 3 pi over 3 plus 1 pi over 3 is negative 2 pi over 3. It's in my fourth quadrant. My tan is positive, so it stays the tan of my reference angle, pi over 3. If that is my special triangle, pi over 3, pi over, no, that's pi over 6, that's pi over 3, 1, 2, square root 3. The tan of pi over 3 is opposite of hypotenuse, so it's square root 3 over 1. Therefore, the cot of negative 2 pi over 3 equals the inverse of that, which is 1 over square root 3. 1 over square root 3. Now I can go and I can apply this. The sec, I can say the sec of pi over 6 multiplied by the cosec of 5 pi over 4 plus the cot of negative 2 pi over 3 equals, this value is 2 over square root 3 times negative square root 2. Put the bracket around so you don't mess up that negative, and this thing is 1 over square root 3. So I have to move it up a little bit. If I simplify this, 2 times square root 2 is negative 2 square root 2 over square root 3 plus 1 over square root 3. I can write that as, I'm going to multiply everything with square root 3. So this answer will be 1, take away 2 square root 2 over square root 3. Or you can simplify that by multiplying square root 3 above and underneath the line. And that will give me an answer of square root 3 times 1 minus 2 square root 2 over 3. And that is the whole question.